The Delhi police charge sheet has made some big revelations in an assault case involving Aam Aadmi Party leader Swati Maliwal. The document indicates that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was with the accused Biphav Kumar shortly after the assault occurred. The time and context of this presence are now under scrutiny. The government of India is responsible for defending Manipur and must take stern action against communal and divisive forces that have wreaked havoc in the state, Inner Manipur Member of Parliament Angomcha Bimol Akoijam said today. Raising the issue during 0 hour in the Lok Sabha, the Congress Member of Parliament said divisive elements as well as foreign powers and illegal immigrants were disrupting peace efforts in the state that has been facing a crisis for 14 months. BSF Director General Daljit Singh Chaudhary today reviewed the operational preparedness along the Tripura-Bangladesh border following political turmoil in the neighboring country, said an official. Additional DG Ravi Gandhi and other senior officers of the Border Security Force held a meeting at the headquarters of the Tripura frontier to review the operational preparedness along the international border. The DG was briefed about the security arrangement along the state's border with Bangladesh by senior officials. The Ministry of Tribal Affairs has provided a detailed response to the question posed by Dorji Chering Lepcha concerning the inclusion of 12 left-out communities from Sikkim in the Scheduled Tribe list. Durgadas UK Minister of State for Tribal Affairs stated that the Government of India follows approved modalities for determining the inclusion of communities in the Scheduled Tribe list. The process requires ethnographic reports and recommendations by the concerned state government or Union Territory administration. Meghalaya Education Minister Rakam Sangma urged the protesting Samagra Shiksha SSA non-academic staff to end their agitation for salary enhancement as the state government has decided to consider the demand. Speaking to reporters, Sangma tendered support, stating that the demands raised by the staff are correct as their salary structure is not systematic. Bangladesh police allegedly fatally shot 30 protesters in an incident of mass killing on Tuesday, a day after Sheikh Hasina resigned as Prime Minister and fled the country amid violent protests. The protesters were reportedly trapped behind a flyover pillar and were unable to move due to heavy gunfire when police personnel opened fire on them. Indian Olympic Association IOA chief P.T. Usha has said that the Wrestling Federation of India has filed an appeal to the World Wrestling Body, United World Wrestling UWW, regarding the decision to disqualify wrestler Vinesh Phokot from Paris Olympics 2024. IOA is following this up in the strongest possible manner, she added. P.T. Usha stated that Vinesh disqualification is very shocking.